Alright, so here's our young turkey. And I did remove the paper packet of the heart and the gizzard and the liver, and I pulled the neck out. And this is where a lot of people like to stuff a turkey. I don't do that. I do not do that. But one thing I do want to show you. Let me get these legs undone here. I've tried cooking that, but man, you talk about tough. You can chew on that all day long and it's hard to choke it down. Alrighty then. What we want to do is we want to reach up underneath here. We want to get our hands up underneath the skin. Pepper. Even though I really watch my salt, I am going to add a little bit of salt. A little bit of garlic powder. And some sugar. And this year I'm eating at my daughter's house, so I'm not making any chicken and dressing. So I'm gonna put some sage right onto my chicken, right onto my turkey. Now she is preparing a turkey as well, but I wanted to do one also. That I've had people ask for some more cooking videos, and I want to thank all of you that have been asking what's up with me, why I ain't seen me make any videos. And the truth is, well, I don't want to just make a video just to be making a video. I'd like to have something decent to show you. Okay. That smells good. So we got a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, got a little bit of garlic powder, we got some sugar, and we got some sage. Okay? And now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to rub this. I am going to rub this stuff in there. I mean, I want it on there. And I ain't being shy with it. So it's been a little over 3.5 hours. I'll let this sit for a while. It's cooled down some. You know it's done when you can do that. Folks, we got a winner. That was some good turkey. That seasoning we put on there, that's the first time I've ever used sugar. I saw that today, so I thought I'd give it a try. But we baked this turkey in just a little over 2 hours. And it's good. I overcooked it a little bit because I had to run downtown. I want to get a meat thermometer and show you how to check the temperature and all that. And had to get a cake. Had the saga with Burger King, which you'll see in another video. People, we got some winter here. So I might not bake my turkeys overnight anymore. This turned out real good. So you could actually put your turkey in the oven that morning and have it ready in less than 3 hours. I hope everybody has a good turkey day. Hope you have a wonderful, happy turkey day. A Merry Christmas. Oh, I hope you eat. Oh, pardon me. Talking and eating at the. Oh, talking and eating at the same time gives me hiccups every time. Quit talking with your mouth full. Anyway, I hope everyone has a very happy Thanksgiving. I hope you have a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, all that kind of good stuff. And I hope you can catch you some turkeys on sale dirt cheap. And I'm probably going to go back to the store and get some more turkeys and just go ahead and bake them up, separate them, and freeze the turkey meat in Ziploc bags. Because right now, heck, I can buy turkey like it's 49 cents a pound at Publix. Y'all have a wonderful day. And a better tomorrow. Bye, everybody. I'm gonna have me a turkey sandwich. Bye.